Hi, welcome back everyone. I'm Kamal Sehgal Sood. You're watching the series Plants in My Balcony. Utilizing my weekend today in the most productive way, away from cities, hisbis, and we are here amidst the nature at the lowest range of Aravalis in a nature camp which is Rock Sport. This is something which everybody should visit. They want to have a getaway from nearby Delhi, which is like 1 hour drive from our home. Rock Sport is basically a nature camp which has an area of about 3.5 acres. Whole families, right from kids to elderly people to adults, everybody can come here for a one-day picnic, and they have a lot of activities coming up. They have rock climbing, they have nature walk, they have camel rides, and they have many other events which can be enjoyed from the children to the adults and to the elderly people also. So this is one spot where the family can come and they can enjoy themselves. So let me just take you through for our day. And when you enter the camp, right at the entrance, you have control room where all the precautions are being taken as far as COVID-19 precautions are concerned. They are checking your temperatures, they are following all the hygienic rules, the sanitization is there. So they are maintaining the proper records and all the things are followed, so you don't have to worry. So one worry that we all have in our minds nowadays is, should we step out of our homes or should we not? So just believe me, this is my personal experience, that come here without any fear and you'll enjoy to the fullest.
So this is basically a nature camp, and the idea behind doing this camp was that every age group can come over here and they can enjoy. So we were doing a research and we find that there was a culture where people used to go for a picnic with their family, with their elderly. That was missing out in Delhi NCR. So we've created a beautiful green camp where they can come. We have 3.5 acres land and we have beautiful tents. And the best part about this place is next to the Aravali mountain. So that's how we have created. We have a lot of activities for all the age groups, right from sport climbing to zip line to rifle shooting to camel cat ride. So everybody can come together as a family and they can enjoy. So that's how this is all about this place.
There's no energy, can be louder. Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning. Okay, very good morning. My name is Suresh Mohan and I am a behalf of Rock Sport. Today I am a group leader. तो आज हमें क्या करना है, एक्शन में आना है एंड हम डिफरेंट जोन में जाएंगे, डिफरेंट टास्क करेंगे, ठीक है। जब भी हम टास्क पे जाएंगे, हमें टास्क करना होगा, जैसे हम टास्क को कंप्लीट करेंगे प्रॉपर तरीके से, इट्स मीन हमने एनिमल को क्या किया, सेव किया एंड हमें पता कैसे लगेगा हमने एनिमल को सेव किया। हम आपको जब भी आप एक्टिविटी फिनिश करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट ए कार्ड।
Hi, we have started with the first fun activity, that is a camel cart ride. We are the team Green Gorillas, so the first activity is just started. So the second activity for the day is maze runner. The kids are super excited to start the activity.
Be careful, be careful.
Straight. Go, go, go. Go inside, go. Didn't.
So the next activity that we are starting is zipline. This is my first ever zipline experience in life. I would like to include that the Rock Sport team is highly encouraging and they really take the fears out from you and help you in whatever way possible so that you conquer your fear of the different things that you haven't done in life. The next activity that we did was rock climbing. One of the toughest activity of the day, I must say. But yes, I've enjoyed it completely. And then there were plethora of activities during the day which just kept your adrenaline at the higher level. By now, each one of us were really tired and we really enjoyed our day during the activities and we were hungry. Khana dekhte, everybody was overjoyed because it was prepared nicely, it was hot and it was served deliciously. So the buffet was really comprising of 4 to 5 main course dishes and it was good to look at them, and the best part about was it was not that spicy, the flavor was good, and to top it all we had jalebis in the dessert. Right from different activities and also the nature walk, the small hiking that we had on Aravalli mountain at the later part of the day. So that was also something which you really can enjoy even with your kids. Now this is the wholesome experience of the day during this pandemic time when everything seems negative around us. So I would definitely suggest you to come here in this nature camp, enjoy your day with your family with all the positive vibes around, with the wonderfully arranged activities for you and also the delicious food that they serve you. This point is amazing to click your photographs on the lower hills of Aravalli. So this place is a must visit. Hey, so I hope that you liked today's video. Do put in your suggestions in the comment box.